Hello everyone, this is Sam from Daytech Studio. In this short video, I will show you how to easily shift or change the order of contents such as paragraphs, lists, or tables in Microsoft Word. To do that, simply click in the place you want to shift, hold down Alt-Shift or Option-Shift on Mac, then press the up or down arrow from your keyboard. That was so simple, right? Now let me show you it works on tables and lists too. Click on any row you like. You don't even need to select the entire row. Now again, hold down Alt-Shift or Option-Shift on Mac and use the up or down arrow from your keyboard. Also, let me try on that list. That's it, great time saver. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or requests, comment below this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe.